Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Chrysler 300 faster. We'll start by looking at performance tuning, which is one of the most effective ways to unlock more power from your engine. Then, we'll discuss how a high-flow exhaust system can improve engine efficiency and give your car a more aggressive sound. Finally, we'll cover the benefits of installing a cold air intake for better airflow and performance gains. Moving beyond basic upgrades, consider forced induction with a supercharger or turbocharger for a dramatic boost in horsepower. These systems compress air entering the engine, leading to much greater power output. Additionally, upgrading to performance camshafts can fine-tune your engine's valve timing, optimizing power across the RPM range. Don't forget that reducing unsprung weight with lighter wheels and tires also significantly improves acceleration and handling. To truly harness your Chrysler 300 newfound power, consider drivetrain and handling upgrades. A higher stall torque converter can dramatically improve your car's launch off the line, making acceleration feel much more immediate. Upgrading your suspension with performance shocks and springs will enhance handling, keeping your car stable at higher speeds. And of course, with more speed comes the need for better stopping power, so performance brakes are a crucial safety upgrade. Finally, remember that consistent maintenance is key to preserving your Chrysler 300 enhanced performance and ensuring its longevity. After any significant modifications, professional tuning is essential to optimize your engine's computer for all the new components, ensuring everything works together seamlessly for peak efficiency and power. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, make sure to check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.